Bigay mo sa akin yung file, pwede ko ilagay sa CD yan.
So, having said that, I ask everyone again, just one more round. I'll just draft the resolution placing our minutes for veterans service for the past 5 years. Approved by everybody. Yes? Okay? Yes. Unanimous consent. Good. Okay. Now I'll open up the floor for nominations for president. Okay. Anybody, first nomination, Mr. Campo, veterans. Anybody second? Anybody else?
Veterans.
Do you accept? Everybody, do I hear a motion to close? No! Hold on, question. So, no need for a resolution.
Para Kongreso, ha?
Come on. Okay. So, I'll take it. It's a unanimous vote. You confirm?
Yes!
So we will just note in these elections that it was unanimous and it was just one choice in recognition of his 5 years of Alright, we'll open up the floor now for nominations for 7 people who can be in our board. And then 2 will be the alternates. So depending on the nomination number of votes. Hold on. The question here is pwedeng in-accept. Actually, it can be anybody because there's no need for him to accept. The problem lang is that he's got to know. Otherwise, it might be a useless vote and a useless nomination. Kasi it might not want to serve. Abuti na dito, whoever is nominated, he has to accept. So, just quickly go through this. Let me just have, I'll open up the floor for nominations for our board. Actually, 7.
Alright, 7!
I think based on our bylaws yata, kailangan si Ben is already the first member because of the press. So, anin na lang ang okay.
I suggest we vote somebody from the US.
Sure. But I'm opening up the nominations now, and whoever wants to nominate, right? No, anyone? Yes, Madrid, second. Money, speak up. RJ, Money. Andre. Order for you. Yeah. So there's, hold on, let me just point it out. Okay, there's a motion that we have a first section representative.
Ano, bayad? Ay, kain ka muna! Ngayon, tinatawagan natin si Jerry Silva.
Nasaan siya?
Canada yata ito eh. Kanina kasi napuno tayo. Tumumpas ng 6, huminto. Hanggang 6 lang eh. Nasipa tayo kanina eh.
May naman nila?
Ako hindi pa pare.
Wala naman dito.
Ito, nangangalekta si Ben.
Tama? 100.
LJ. Sa 31 lang tayo.
Ba't naka-check na tayo?
Malay ko.
Number 16.
Tingnan ko, 30 plus tayo kanina, 35 ba? Ano ba? 31 lang. Sorry. Kompleto na ba yan? Kompleto na? 31?
Sorry?
31?
No, not everyone.
Bakit?
Like si Willie lang, ayaw.
Matatlo.
Si Resty, wala pa si Resty.
Binigyan ko.
Pare, ikaw lang pala ayaw mag-fill up eh.
Ballpen niya nasa kanya eh.
Ikaw lang pala eh.
Pare.
Ulit video natin, ano?
Video ba yan? Video? Alright.
Basta.
Well, pa yan, man.
Basta.
Tapping machine.
Ikaw na bigyan siya mag-ginagawa rin, pero you know what? I love you so much. Ano ba? Kung siya, yung mga ano, tapos karoon.
Sorry.
Pasok tayo ulit. Sign in ka lang, sign in. Dali. High-tech ba masyado? Ano eh, may server yan eh. Yung Ubo may server, kaya minsan sabit tayo lahat.